This video is brought to you by ExpressVPN. Click on the link given down below in the description and get 3 months free. Hey, what's up guys, it's Manu here from AndroDollar.com and I have an awesome new product here at the studio today. Can you guess what it is? How about now? I'm sure you will know right about now. This is Samsung's latest Galaxy Z Fold2 5G and I've got access to this exclusively right here in Sri Lanka, and I'm going to be bringing you guys a series of videos featuring this phone in the next couple of days. Let's go ahead and put this phone to the test. Let me use it for a couple of days and tell you guys what's so exciting about the latest foldable phone from Samsung that we have over here. So I also have Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip that I've been using all this time as one of my primary smartphones, as well as Samsung's Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which I've also been testing out over the past couple of days for my full review that is coming very soon right here on YouTube. So get ready for that as well. So anyway, this is the Z Fold2 5G, the brand new device that I have over here that we are gonna have a very good look at right here on YouTube on Andro Dollar. So definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you are new to my channel and get ready to see my coverage of the Galaxy Z Fold2 5G right here in Sri Lanka. If you are excited with that information, definitely go ahead and share this video with your friends. Let's go ahead and talk about the Z Fold2 5G. And let me share with you guys my initial impressions when it comes to the design of the Z Fold2 5G. I'm gonna start talking about the Z Fold2 5G from the back of it, because I'm really a big fan of the design that Samsung has taken for the back, because it's that same matte finish that we have at the back, similar to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra's mystic bronze color. So this is also the mystic bronze color of the Z Fold2 5G, and I mean you really have to hold this phone in the hand to feel how comfortable it is. And the best part is it's not that much of a fingerprint magnet, and you can, even if there are fingerprints, you can easily wipe it off just like this and it feels quite smooth in the hand. So I'm a big fan of this matte back design that we have, especially with it's a glass design, so it's quite premium as well for a premium phone like this that comes with such a high price. That is what we can expect from Samsung, and we have an improved hinge design this time around with the Z Fold2 5G, something that Samsung has drastically improved this time around. And we have this screen at the front of the phone on the Z Fold2 5G here. That is the big cover screen that we have on the outside with a 6.2-inch display that is in phone mode. But if you want to go ahead and increase your experience, if you want to make your screen even bigger, all you have to do is just go ahead and expand the display like this, and then you have a tablet size 7.6-inch display on the inside. But that's not it. This phone comes packed with a ton more things, like an awesome camera setup. Not just awesome, very powerful as well. We are gonna put all of that to the test right here on Andro Dollar very soon. So let me give you guys a physical overview of this phone in this hardware overview video. So here on the side we have the volume rockers, and then we have the power button which also acts as a fingerprint scanner. So if you're going to be using your mask outside, especially with the situation right now, then you're really gonna be thankful for having this fingerprint scanner on your phone. Here we have the SIM card tray on the side. Focusing our attention to the bottom of the phone, we have a USB Type-C port here along with a speaker grill over here and a microphone. But that's not the only speaker that we have, and the microphone also, because we have another microphone over here along with the secondary speaker that we have here at the top of the phone as well. We have a camera here at the front of the phone, as well as another camera when you open up the phone into tablet mode as well with the Z Fold2 5G. Yes, there is a crease here, but this time around more than ever I think the crease is like you really can't feel the crease here on the Z Fold2 5G, even when compared to the Galaxy Z Flip's crease. I think that's something that you really forget once you start using this phone on a day-to-day basis. You really forget that the crease is even there when you really start using and getting that full experience on this new foldable tech phone. It's pretty nice, pretty neat, but very premium, and it's a very luxurious product that you can buy right now if you are interested. I'll have the availability details along with the price link down below in the description if anyone is interested in picking one up. You can see how the hinge design works here with the Z Fold2 5G. Here we have the hinge, so if I go ahead and open it up, it works like this. So this is the hinge design, like a butterfly. That's why they have that butterfly wallpaper as well, and of course it has that satisfying sound when you go ahead and close it like this. Very, very satisfying every single time. That's something I've loved on the Z Flip as well, to do whatever, and when you're done with a call or something, to do like this. Pretty neat and pretty nice thing that we have on all the foldable smartphones, especially now that Samsung has been doing it for a while. They are getting pretty good at it, so I'm really excited to test this phone out for a couple of days and get back to you guys with its performance, how well the cameras do, especially when compared to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra that I've been using for my full review as well. So let me bring you guys all that information, as well as if there's anything else that you guys would love to see featuring the Galaxy Z Fold2 5G, then definitely go ahead and drop a comment, or you can reach me on social media. I'm at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. That's where you can reach out and tell me what you want to see featuring this phone, so that I can make it exclusively right here in Sri Lanka for all of you guys. So with that being said, let me go ahead and set this phone up and let me start my coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold2 5G. I'm going to be meeting you guys very, very soon with another video. Until then, this is Banu signing out.